Union Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel Minister Sri Dharmendra Pradhan said that which state's coastline is going to be the hub of maritime trade. He told that Orissa state's coastline is going to be the hub of maritime trade. He told this while addressing the investment opportunities in Orissa session in Maritime India Summit 2021. India's first transgender community desk opened in which state of India? India's first transgender community desk opened in Telangana state of India in Gachibowli police station. Next question. Who had virtually launched Saugamiya Bharat app and handbook access the photo digest? Sri Tawarchand Gehlot has launched Saugamiya Bharat app and handbook access the photo digest. He is the Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment. Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment. When is the International Women's Day celebrated? International Women's Day is celebrated on March 8th of every year. It is started by United Nations. The theme of 2021 Women's Day is Women in Leadership, Achieving an Equal Future in a COVID-19 world. This is the theme of the year 2021 Women's Day. Indian Railways, which railway zone has introduced a mobile train radio communication system? Western Railway Zone has introduced a mobile train radio communication system to facilitate direct and continuous communication between the train crew and the control center and the station master. This new communication system has already been started in 105 rakes. It is operated between Churchgate station to Virar station. Over Mumbai suburban segment. The Tripura government has come up with a digital platform, Jagrit Tripura, to help people to get benefits related to. Benefits related to various schemes of the center and state government. It is covering almost all 105 schemes. This is developed by Easy Goa. This project is developed by Easy Goa, a Geo company. CM of Tripura is Biplab Kumar Dev. And governor is Ramesh Bayas. Next question. Indian Army had tie-up with which bank for its salary accounts for both active and retired army personnels? They had a tie-up with Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank has signed an MOU with Indian Army. The CEO of Kotak Mahindra Bank is Uday Kotak. It was established in the year 2003 and headquarters is in Mumbai. The tagline of Kotak Mahindra Bank is "Let's make money simple." Next question. Which bank has announced the launch of Yield, an online platform to buy and sell bonds as well as debentures in the secondary market? Axis Bank has launched Yield, an online platform to buy and sell bonds as well as debentures in the secondary market. This app Yield allows retail investors direct access to the debt instrument, and the CEO of Axis Bank is Amitabh Chaudhary. And tagline of Axis Bank is Dil Se Open. First tire park in India is built in which state? First tire park in India is built in West Bengal state. Art from waste is the theme of building this park. This will be reusing and converting the scrap tires which have been lying as a waste in under the bus depots and also under the lorries, everything. Next question. Which state government has launched the E-Peak Pahani mobile app for farmers? Maharashtra state government has launched the E-Peak Pahani mobile app for farmers. CM Uddhav Thackeray said that this app reduces the hardship for farmers and help them get the right price and good market for their produce. So CM of Maharashtra is Uddhav Thackeray. Hope you liked the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on the video and hit the bell icon for instant notification. For more queries, you can ask me in the comment section, and for any suggestions also, you can let me know from the comment section. Thank you.